Whether you realize it or not, your bedroom may be silently harming your health, especially if you are over 60. At least 5 factors in your sleeping environment could be deteriorating your sleep quality, affecting your respiratory system, increasing the risk of allergies, and even making you feel tired and sluggish in the morning. The scariest part? Most people overlook them and never think about making changes, even though simple adjustments could make a huge difference. But once you become aware of these factors, you will never see your bedroom the same way again. Your bedroom should be a place where your body recovers, relaxes, and recharges after a long day. But what if I told you that some everyday items you use do the opposite? Have you ever spent the night tossing and turning, woken up with a heavy head, sneezed repeatedly for no apparent reason, or even felt joint pain without knowing why? Many people never question their sleep environment, yet these seemingly harmless factors can significantly impact health, especially as you age and your body become more sensitive. I know what you might think. My bedroom is fine. I've never had any issues. But let me share a truth with you. Health problems caused by your sleep environment don't always show up right away. They can build up silently, gradually reducing your sleep quality bit by bit, leading to effects you only start noticing once they become a difficult habit to break. And here's the most important part. Some of the causes behind these issues might surprise or even shock you. And the last one on the list? It's a common mistake that almost everyone makes without realizing it. Ask yourself, do you wake up every morning feeling truly refreshed? If not, it's time to closely examine your sleep environment. But don't worry, even small changes can lead to significant improvements, helping you sleep more deeply, rest better, and feel more energized each day. Let's uncover the 5 things in your bedroom that are harming you, and how to eliminate them starting today. 1. Electronic devices. The silent enemy of sleep. Electronic devices are one of the most overlooked factors that silently harm sleep quality. If you habitually keep your phone next to your bed while sleeping, this could negatively impact your rest without you even realizing it. Devices like smartphones, tablets, and any electronic screens emit blue light, which tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. This disrupts the production of melatonin, the essential hormone that regulates sleep. When melatonin levels drop, falling asleep becomes more difficult, and you're more likely to experience restlessness and shallow sleep. Not only that, but checking your phone right before bed, or even waking up in the middle of the night to glance at messages and notifications, can fragment your sleep cycle. Many people believe that just a few seconds of scrolling won't make a difference. But in reality, every time you look at your screen, your brain gets stimulated, making it harder to return to deep sleep. This issue becomes even more concerning as you age, since natural sleep quality tends to decline over time. Additionally, electromagnetic waves from phones are another factor to consider. While there is no definitive conclusion on their long-term effects on health, many experts recommend minimizing exposure to electronic devices during sleep to protect the nervous system and improve overall sleep quality. To improve this situation, a simple yet highly effective solution is to keep your phone away from your bed, preferably in another room. If you're worried about missing important calls, you can set the ringtone to an audible volume, but avoid placing the phone within arm's reach. Instead of using your phone as an alarm clock, consider switching to a traditional alarm clock to break the habit of checking screens immediately upon waking. If you must use your phone in the evening, activate night shift or blue light filter mode to reduce blue light exposure, allowing your eyes and brain to relax before sleep. This small adjustment alone can significantly improve sleep quality, helping you wake up feeling refreshed, clear-headed, and full of energy every morning. 2. Scented candles and air fresheners. Hidden dangers in fragrance. Many people enjoy using scented candles or air fresheners to create a relaxing and pleasant atmosphere in their bedroom. These fragrances can provide comfort and help you unwind after a long day. However, most people don't realize that many artificial fragrance products contain harmful chemicals, particularly volatile organic compounds, VOCs. When inhaled, these compounds can irritate the respiratory system, worsen sinus issues, trigger allergies, or aggravate asthma. For older adults, the lungs' natural ability to filter air decreases over time, making them more sensitive to indoor air pollutants. Beyond respiratory health, some studies suggest that chemicals in scented candles and air fresheners can disrupt the endocrine system, leading to hormonal imbalances, reduced sleep quality, and even mood disturbances. One of the biggest concerns is paraffin wax candles derived from petroleum. When burned, these candles release ultrafine particles and toxic gases such as toluene and benzene, both of which have been linked to long-term health risks, including cancer. Instead of continuing to use products with synthetic chemicals, you can opt for safer and more natural alternatives. A great solution is to use pure essential oils in a diffuser, which fills your bedroom with a pleasant scent and provides real relaxation benefits. If you prefer candles, choose ones made from beeswax or soy wax, as they are free from harmful chemicals and can even help purify the air. Additionally, introducing air-purifying plants into your bedroom is a natural way to improve indoor air quality. Plants like aloe vera, snake plant, and peace lily help absorb toxins, filter pollutants, and regulate humidity, creating a fresher and healthier environment. With just a few small adjustments, you can transform your bedroom into a space that promotes better health, deeper sleep, and a refreshing start to your day. 3. Heavy dark curtains, blocking light, draining your energy. Many believe that thick, dark curtains, especially light-sensitive ones, help them sleep better. However, what often goes unnoticed is that these curtains don't just block out light at night, but also prevent natural sunlight from entering the morning. This can disrupt your body's internal clock, making you feel sluggish and groggy, even after a full night's sleep. Natural light is crucial in regulating your circadian rhythm, the biological process that keeps you alert during the day and sleepy at night. When morning sunlight can't reach you, cortisol, the hormone responsible for wakefulness and energy, is delayed. As a result, you may feel more tired and sluggish and take longer to fully wake up. This is also why many people struggle to get out of bed and rely on caffeine to kickstart their morning. Beyond sleep, a lack of natural light in the bedroom can negatively impact mood and overall well-being. Research has shown that people who get less exposure to morning sunlight are more prone to stress, fatigue, and seasonal affective disorder, SAD, a type of depression linked to low light exposure, particularly in older adults. Instead of thick, dark curtains, opt for light-filtering curtains. These allow you to block out excessive light at night while letting in gentle morning sunlight. This helps maintain the darkness needed for quality sleep while ensuring your body receives natural light when it's time to wake up. If you live in an area with strong artificial light at night and still need heavy curtains for sleep, consider using dual-layer curtains, a thicker layer to block light at night and a sheer layer to adjust brightness in the morning. Additionally, a simple yet highly effective habit to help your body adapt to natural light is to open your windows immediately after waking up or step outside for 10 to 15 minutes every morning. This naturally resets your circadian rhythm, making you feel more awake, without needing coffee or artificial stimulants. With a small adjustment to how you use your curtains, you'll notice a significant difference, waking up feeling refreshed, less fatigued throughout the day, and having an easier time falling asleep at night. This is a simple change with long-term benefits for your health and overall well-being. 4. Old pillows. A hidden danger right under your head. Think about something you spend a third of your life using every night, your pillow. You might believe your pillow is still fine, soft, and providing good support. But don't dismiss this issue just yet. If your pillow is over 2 years old, it may have already become a breeding ground for millions of dust mites, bacteria, dead skin cells, sweat, and even mold. The scariest part: you're inhaling all that for hours every night, without even realizing it. Have you ever woken up feeling congested, uncomfortable, or with a sore throat for no apparent reason? If so, the problem might not be the weather or a weakened immune system. It could be your pillow triggering allergies without you knowing. Dust mites, microscopic creatures invisible to the naked eye, thrive in warm, humid environments and feed on the dead skin cells you shed while sleeping. Even worse, their waste is a powerful allergen that can lead to symptoms like sneezing, itchy eyes, runny nose, and morning fatigue. If your allergy symptoms or nasal congestion worsen at night or right after waking up, your pillow might be the culprit. Not only that, but an old pillow can also negatively affect your skin. Think about it. Your pillow absorbs sweat, oils, and bacteria from your face every night. Then, night after night, you press your skin against the same surface for hours. If you've been dealing with acne, skin irritation, or unexplained breakouts, your pillow might be the hidden culprit behind these issues. Another concern that many people overlook is mold growth. If you live in a humid environment or sweat heavily while sleeping, mold can develop inside your pillow without you even realizing it. Breathing in mold spores over time can lead to chronic fatigue, memory issues, brain fog, and even serious respiratory problems. If your pillow is over 2 years old, it's time to replace it. Experts recommend changing your pillow every 1.5 to 2 years to protect respiratory health and sleep quality. If you're not ready to buy a new pillow just yet, at the very least, use an allergy-proof pillowcase to reduce the buildup of dust, mites, and bacteria. Make sure to wash your pillowcase weekly, and if possible, air out your pillow in the sun regularly to kill bacteria and remove trapped moisture. Don't let an old pillow ruin your health and sleep. A small change can make a huge difference, helping you sleep better, wake up feeling refreshed, and safeguard your well-being in the long run. 5. Clutter under the bed. A hidden threat to your sleep. Do you store items under your bed to save space? It might seem like a smart, convenient storage solution, but you don't realize that keeping too much clutter under your bed could be silently ruining your sleep. As you sleep, your body inhales the surrounding air, and if the space under your bed is filled with dust mites, or items that haven't been cleaned in a long time, you may be breathing in fine dust particles all night long. This is especially problematic for people with allergies, sinus issues, or asthma. If you frequently wake up feeling congested, sneezing, or with itchy eyes, don't just blame the weather. The dust buildup under your bed might be affecting your respiratory health. Beyond dust accumulation, excessive clutter under the bed can also block airflow in your bedroom. A good fresh airflow is essential for better breathing and quality sleep. However, when the space beneath your bed is packed with too many items, air circulation becomes restricted, making the room feel stuffy and uncomfortable. Over time, this can also increase humidity levels, creating the perfect conditions for mold growth, which leads to musty odors and poor sleep quality. Additionally, according to Feng Shui principles, keeping the space under your bed clean and uncluttered promotes better energy flow, which can lead to deeper and more restful sleep. A tidy sleeping environment benefits your physical health and enhances your mental well-being, creating a sense of peace and relaxation. Take a moment to declutter and reorganize the space under your bed. If you need to use it for storage, store items in sealed containers and clean regularly to prevent dust buildup. You should keep the area as open as possible to allow for better airflow and a fresher sleeping environment. In addition, make it a habit to vacuum and clean under your bed at least once a week to remove dust, allergens, and dust mites. Open your windows or use an air purifier to maintain clean, fresh air in your bedroom. A small change can have a big impact. You'll notice your bedroom feeling more spacious, breathable, and most importantly, a place where you can enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep every night. Take a moment to look around your bedroom and ask yourself, how many of these hidden issues are present in the space where you rest each night? You may have never considered how these small factors could be affecting your sleep quality and overall health. But don't worry if you realize there's more than one area to improve. Transforming your sleep environment doesn't have to happen overnight. The key is to start making small, gradual changes. Begin with the simplest steps. If your pillow is over 2 years old, replacing it can significantly enhance your sleep, protect your respiratory health, and improve your skin. Moving your phone away from your bed can help minimize blue light exposure and electromagnetic waves that may be disrupting your rest. Clearing out unnecessary items under your bed allows for better airflow and improved air quality, making your bedroom a fresher, more breathable space. If you regularly use scented candles or air fresheners, switching to natural essential oils or adding air-purifying plants can keep your bedroom fresh while eliminating harmful chemicals. And if your curtains are too thick and dark, consider replacing them with light-filtering ones that let natural sunlight gently wake you up in the morning, helping you feel more energized throughout the day. Even the smallest change can make a noticeable difference in your sleep quality, energy levels, and overall well-being. Start today, one step at a time, and soon, your bedroom will become the ultimate space for restoration, relaxation, and better health. Your bedroom is not just a place to sleep. It's a space where your body recovers, relaxes, and recharges. Even small changes can make a big difference in how you feel daily. When you optimize your sleep environment, you'll sleep better and wake up feeling clear-headed, refreshed, and energized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to support us and help more people discover these simple yet effective sleep and health improvement tips. And if you know someone struggling with sleep issues, whether it's a friend, family member, or even your parents, share this video with them so they can make easy, effective adjustments in their own bedroom. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more valuable tips to help you stay healthy, sleep better, and enjoy life to the fullest as you age. Our goal is to bring you practical, easy-to-apply solutions that enhance your quality of life in a sustainable way. Thank you for watching. Try making small changes to your bedroom and let us know the results in the comments section. We look forward to seeing you in our next videos, where we'll share even more great tips. Wishing you good health and restful sleep.